going to be doing a review of some solar lights. These were provided to me for my honest review. All right, so this is what the box looks like. And that's what the lights look like. And I thought they were really, really cute. So let me go ahead and get them opened. Now, this will be my unboxing, but then I'll also be showing you later on, you know, kind of put them out and then show you what they look like once they're, you know, charged up by the sun. So I'll get them out, and then at night I'll show you kind of what they look like. So there'll be a little bit more later on that part. For now, we're just going to do the unboxing. So when I open it up, it looks like this. So inside, it tells you how to assemble. And then on the back, it says selecting an ideal location, operation instructions, battery replacement, cleaning and storage. So got some packaging there. All right. So I don't see a ton of, I don't think there's going to be a lot of installation here. So let me just take a look. Okay. So these are what the lights look like. They're really nice. There's your solar power there. And there's always a little plastic sheet on there. So that way you just take that off and then they're ready to go. I think they're really pretty. These are the ones that I chose because I thought they were really nice. Remove the tab. So there's a little tab right there. I hope you guys can see it. So I'm going to remove the tab. So one other thing too with this lid is right here there's an on and off switch. So you want to make sure you turn that on before you put them out so the sun can go ahead and you know, energize them. And then when you change the battery, you want to make sure that's off. Okay? Then it says replace the top. So we just have to put this back together. Twist it back on, good to go. And then take this little top piece off right here so that it'll catch all the sun, and then it goes in. So those are the LED solar lights, and they are Solplex. So I'll make sure I put all the information below, and then later on I'll show you what they look like. Here are the lights. Solar lights that I received now that it's nighttime. You can see that they are all working and they look good.